Most people get this comparison completely wrong. They download Blackout Bingo or Solitaire Cash expecting one app to magically make them more money. But here's the truth no one tells you. The better app depends on your skills, play style, and what kind of games you actually enjoy. In this video you'll learn the key differences between Blackout Bingo and Solitaire Cash in 2026, including gameplay, earning potential, skill requirements, and which app may be the better choice for you. Let's get straight to the answer. The biggest difference is the game itself. Blackout Bingo is fast-paced. You need quick reactions, strong focus, and the ability to spot numbers rapidly. Solitaire Cash is slower and more strategic. It rewards planning, card management, and efficient decision-making. For example, if Alex enjoys fast action and competitive gameplay, Blackout Bingo will probably feel more exciting. If Jake prefers a calmer experience where strategy matters more than reaction speed, Solitaire Cash may be the better fit. But here's the problem. Many people choose based only on earning claims. That's a mistake, because your performance often affects your results. A highly skilled Solitaire Cash player may perform better there than on Blackout Bingo, even if another player experiences the opposite. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Let's talk about the learning curve. Most beginners can understand basic solitaire rules quickly. However, mastering efficient moves takes practice. Blackout Bingo is easy to start as well, but improving reaction speed and accuracy can require more repetition. In a minute, I'll show you the simplest way to decide which app is right for you. Before that, let's discuss competition. Both apps involve skill-based gameplay. That means improving your skills can potentially improve your performance. However, competition levels may vary depending on player pools, tournaments, and available game modes at any given time. This is where most people fail. They deposit money immediately without spending enough time learning the game. A smarter approach is to practice first, understand the mechanics, and evaluate whether you genuinely enjoy the gameplay. Another factor is entertainment value. If you're not having fun, you'll probably stop using the app regardless of potential rewards. John might enjoy Solitaire Cash for long sessions, while Sarah may prefer the faster pace of Blackout Bingo. Now, for the easiest way to decide. Try both apps for a short period and pay attention to two things. First, which game feels more natural to you? Second, where are your scores and results more consistent? Your own experience is usually a better indicator than someone else's opinion. To sum it up, Blackout Bingo is generally better for players who enjoy speed and quick decision-making. Solitaire Cash is often better for players who prefer strategy and a more relaxed pace. Neither app is automatically better for everyone. If this comparison helped you decide, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more app reviews and earning guides, and leave a comment telling us which game you prefer and why. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.